Hey guys, thanks for tuning in to another video on ForgottenWeapons.com. I'm Ian McCollum. We are back once again at the monthly backup gun match, the bug match. And today I have a Grendel P10. This is one of the early Grendel pistols that does not have a detachable magazine. It has a fixed in place 10-round magazine that very interestingly feeds off of M16 stripper clips because it's chambered for 380, and the 380 case head is essentially the same as the 5.56 case head. So you can load up a stripper clip, an M16 stripper clip with 380, and that's what this was designed to do. So this is actually the second time that I have come out here with this gun for this match. The first time I had some steel-cased Russian ammo, and the gun completely and totally locked up and did not function at all. So I've come back this time with some proper brass-cased ammo, S and B, and we'll see what happens. Let's dive in. We got 4 stages today. All right, loading process is lock the gun open, put on the loading tool, engage the stripper clip, which is not quite lined up, sorry. There we go. Look, you don't do this under stress or on the timer. And I'm out of time. Come on. Some of these stripper clips are a little tighter than others. Come on. I am going to need all 10 rounds of this thing. All right. There we go. There we go. All right. Nope. Nope. Almost. There we go. 10 rounds. Here we go.
Easy.
All right. You nod when you're ready. Shooter's ready. Stand by.
Come on. And I'm out. Those first coup went well, and then it kind of stopped going well. Oh.
All right, go ahead. IC clear. Slide. Trigger. Full stop. In fact, I'm going to time your load. You got 30 seconds.
Oh no! Ah! Okay.
Ready?
Ready? All right. The RO is timing my loading. Let's see if this one. Oh, this one's better than the last one. Ha ha ha!
17 seconds.
All right, let's see if I can shoot it faster than I can load it.
And that gets added to your match score, by the way.
Exactly. All right, shooter's ready. Stand by.
I'll call it.
All right, if you're finished,
There's
unload.
something left in here. Okay, so I failed to extract.
You got to trying to clear a double feed with that's a little
Spicy, yes.
yeah. Oh, there you go.
There is no way to
Just
automatically. There we go.
All right, IC clear. Slide. Trigger. Does this thing have an ejector or extractor?
I think so.
Yeah. All right, it was really weak.
It just might not work very well.
Yeah, I was gonna say it was pretty weak on that last one.
Range is safe. 9 seconds.
Yeah.
Clean, clean, and clean.
Oh, that's super clean.
Woo.
Yes. All right, here we go again. More hostage targets. There we go. Look, I'm trying.
It's great that you have a gun that takes longer to load than shoot the stage.
You know, it uses M16 clips. That's cool. Stop trying to hurt its feelings. Ready?
Shooter is ready. Stand by.
I guess I'm
unload,
done.
Show me clear.
So I had one that just failed to feed.
Ah, wonderful quality. Okay, slide, trigger, holster.
Look, it's getting through like the first 8 in every magazine.
Yeah.
Which is all you can legitimately expect from it.
Range is safe. 8 seconds.
Grendel P10.
I think so. Oh no!
Ian.
Oh no! Oh, oh,
So
good
much
Lord.
for the red-nosed reindeer.
I
He's red
center
for a different reason.
crap. All right.
He's
So that's clean. That's a bit low. That's 3, 4. That's clean.
Yeah, that's all. 6, 7. Yeah.
So
12 or just 12? Just 12.
so that's a 7, 4, 7, minus
Hit him here,
12.
too.
What? Well, that doesn't matter because I already shot him in the face.
Yeah, I mean, you
so.
don't. Oh, and you hit him here, but that doesn't count because it didn't break the
So
perf.
that was 747.
Yeah, 747, and then 12 points of penalty for doming Donner there.
Whoopsies. Whoopsies.
Ain't no
All
party
your
like
nice
a Donner
headshots
party.
just went away.
One more stage.
You've got 4 targets, and it's been mouthing at 8. So
Yep.
That monster gun will knock it over.
No.
So that monster gun will knock it over. No problem.
Okay.
lost one.
Yep. We're gonna put that one back in.
All right, shooter, give me a knob when you're ready.
Ready?
Shooter's ready. Stand by. Unload, show me clear. Oh, you had a round left in there.
Yeah, but it was gonna take me more than 1 second to get the trigger pressed.
Slide, trigger, holster.
All right, that kind of went about as I was expecting. The sights on this are completely fixed in place, not adjustable, and not very big either. They're not great sights. The trigger is double action only and truly horrendous. Like it's really quite bad, which is, I would like to think, why I shot a hostage right in the center of the face, which is, oops. Other than that, though, it ran about as reliably as I expected. I got a lot of malfunctions at like round 8 or round 9, and a variety of them. So one of them was a failure to extract, one of them was a failure to feed. It's a cheap gun from the 80s, and it's just not very good, but it is pretty cool. So hopefully you guys enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching.